All right, so we're going to show you today how to create a poll. And what's great about a poll on your business page is it helps to create engagement, which is really important with your audience. It keeps people sort of on their toes. They may want to say something about it, how they feel about it. So it's important to keep them on your page, but at the same time, Facebook likes engagement as well. And so if you have enough engagement on your page, Facebook will refer people that are searching for those specific topics to pages like yours. Now in this case here, I've got a Valentine's Day gift ideas for him and her. You can see that I actually used, keywords so people are being specific about it if they're looking for a Valentine's Day page or business page. Now I'm going to go to click in here, and so when I want to create the poll, just go right to poll. You've got a few options, 1 and 2. We're going to ask the question, which do you prefer? So in option 1, I'm going to put jewelry's in 1, and in option 2, I'm just going to put spa day. Let me extend this out here so I'm a little more specific. Which do you prefer as a gift for Valentine's Day? Now keep in mind that you've got 2 options here. I can add a picture. So now I've just added a picture. So this is good. We posed the question. We've got 2 options. I put a few pictures, and then we can decide how long do we want it to go for, a day, a week. You can kind of decide that, customize it there. We're just going to say a week. Let's go ahead and add a hashtag. Valentine gifts. Let's add a little emoji. I think I'm going to put it here. Again, just spicing it up a little bit. And lastly, we're just going to publish it. And boom, there it is. And it says this poll ends in 6 days. So again, a great way to get your audience engaged in what you're doing and having a say in it as well. They'll feel like they're sort of part of your page or your group. So the whole idea is this, is get them engaged, get them talking about it. Facebook will see, especially if there is some traction there, and Facebook will refer people to your page if those are the things they're specifically looking for. So again, think about the SEO involved in, again, the names of your pages when you put them together. So hopefully that helps out, and we'll see you guys soon.